In a small village nestled amidst rolling hills, a young girl renowned for her sharp mind gazes up at the starlit sky, feeling a pull towards the unknown. Intrigued and curious, Ella's heart races at the sight of the enchanting Starry Night Circus, beckoning her with its radiant charm. Ella embarks on a journey through the night, accompanied by whimsical companions who shimmer and dance around her, leading her towards the circus of her dreams. Fireflies twirl and leap, their luminous trails lighting the way for Ella as she follows their graceful movements towards the heart of the circus. Moonbeams pirouette and glide, their gentle light guiding Ella towards the center of the circus, where the true magic awaits. Ella watches in wonder as the circus performers, stars and constellations brought to life, dazzle and mesmerize with their ethereal talents under the velvet night sky. As Ella delves deeper into the circus's mysteries, she uncovers a hidden message woven within the performances that speaks to her on a profound level, altering her perception of the night's magic. With newfound clarity, Ella unravels the secrets of the circus, her heart swelling with a sense of wonder and connection to the boundless universe above. With the first light of dawn painting the sky in soft hues, Ella leaves the circus behind, carrying with her the memory of a night filled with celestial enchantment that will forever shape her view of the world.